We're in the inflammatory phase.
Inflammatory phase. So the chiropractic
Goal,
adjustment.
so the goal is to decrease pain, inflammation, and muscle spasms.
Yep.
You said one of the therapies is chiropractic. So how does chiropractic help with those symptoms?
Chiropractic decreases pain, inflammation, muscle spasms due to the piezoelectric effect. And the piezoelectric
That's,
effect,
okay, that's not correct.
okay, that's in the repair phase. In the inflammatory phase, is it going to decrease the nerve threshold? Increase the nerve threshold.
Okay. So let's talk about one at a time. How does
Okay.
how does chiropractic adjustment decrease pain?
By increasing the nerve firing threshold.
How does it do that?
It does that by, um, shit, I don't know how it does it. It does it by, I don't know, I guess. I thought I knew.
Can't say that on the stand, can you?
No, definitely not.
Okay. So what are all the ways the chiropractic adjustment helps decrease pain? Number one is number one is the gate theory.
Okay, number one is the gate theory.
The mechanical stimulus creates an electrical impulse that decreases pain based on the gate theory. So
Okay, but it creates an
get
electrical impulse.
get vaguely familiar with the gate theory.
Okay, so it creates an electrical impulse.
Well, wait a minute. I'm going to walk through this.
Okay,
That's number one. Number one. Number two, when you actually adjust the patient, you're moving the fluid, aren't you?
yeah,
Fluid is inflammatory, right?
yep.
Do you know why it's inflammatory?
It's acidic.
Yeah, it's an altered pH balance that irritates the nerve endings. That's one of the reasons we try to decrease inflammation. So when you actually mechanically move the joint, that's called imbibition, right?
Imbibition. How do you spell that?
Imbibition. It's when you move the joint, it kind of pushes fluid out, old fluid out, and new fluid in, right?
Yep.
Imbibition. So that's how it helps decrease pain with inflammation. And then it decreases pain with the
Increases.
nerve impulse based on the gate theory. Number three, it increases or elevates uh, decreases the nerve sensitivity. So it decreases the nerve sensitivity. That helps to decrease pain.
Okay.
It helps to align collagen. You give the chiropractic adjustment, helps to align the collagen matrix, decreasing the likelihood of the regenerative peripheral nerves getting trapped,
Okay.
right?
Yep.
Okay, so that's chiropractic.